Chunton Primary School plans to build a new circular ring-shaped runway, which consists of 2 concentric circles. The inner circle is a lawn, and the outer ring is a plastic track. The construction team has drawn a rough outline, but it is necessary to calculate the area of the circular ring to purchase plastic materials. Due to a measurement oversight, only the length of a chord of the outer circle was recorded, and this chord is exactly tangent to the inner circle. After receiving the data, the principal frowned. How could it be possible to calculate the area of the circular ring with only the length of one chord? In desperation, he turned to the school's math teacher. The math teacher glanced at it and said, "This problem is very interesting. Actually, this one chord is sufficient. How can we calculate the area of the circular ring with only the length of a chord tangent to the inner circle?" Let's pause for a moment and think. This problem is actually very simple, requiring nothing more than junior high school math knowledge. We can draw 2 auxiliary lines, a radius of the inner circle and a radius of the outer circle. Then we can derive the calculation formula using the Pythagorean theorem. The formula is quite straightforward, as shown below. We can extend this idea when the inner circle shrinks gradually, i.e., when the radius r of the inner circle approaches 0. The length of the chord approaches the diameter of the outer circle, and thus the area of the circular ring becomes equal to the area of the outer circle. Similar problems can also be extended to 3-dimensional shapes, such as hollow cylinders and hollow spheres. To calculate the volume of the solid part of a hollow cylinder, only 2 pieces of data are needed: its height and the length of a tangent line to its inner circle. For a hollow sphere, to calculate the volume of its solid part, we can insert a rod that is tangent to the inner sphere. Some auxiliary perspective equipment may be required for this purpose. Meanwhile, both ends of the rod must touch the outer sphere. In this case, we only need to know the length of the rod to get the result.